This is a Miami J cervical collar. We're going to go over how to correctly put this on and off. Pretty simple. Once it's fitting correctly, you're just going to have to undo one side with Velcro here. These come in a lot of different sizes, so your orthotist will fit you based off of your neck, whether it's really tall, really wide, real skinny, really short. That's one positive thing with the Miami J is we can mix and match a lot of different sizes to get it fitting correctly compared to some of the other collars. But how this works is we want to get this underneath the patient's neck here. We want to get this tight. Obviously, we already fit this to Josh, so we have the correct size. This part is nice. It has a sternal extension pad here that really keeps against their sternum, keeps their neck up. And then there's a little Velcro here. If you have this upside down, there is writing here, so we want to make sure we have it this way. And how this Velcro's on is, and this way for a second, Josh. There's Velcro here, and there's Velcro on the other side. And again, we really want to lock and immobilize your neck when you have this on. So as you can tell, Josh can't move his chin up and down because we want to make sure this is tight enough. If I had this super loose, like here, he can then move his head, which we don't want. We want to make sure that it's nice and tight. It's supporting underneath his chin here. As far as taking it on and off, once the orthotist gets it fitting correctly, the easiest way is just unvelcro one side and let it come off. If this gets soiled or dirty, the nice thing is these parts just unvelcro. You can wash them by hand in the sink with just soap and water, let them dry and put them back in. Also, if they get ruined, you can get a new pad kit if need be. That's how you simply put on and off a Miami J collar. Again, this is a cervical collar, one of the more common ones used by neurosurgeons.